everyone, welcome to Cartoon Drawing Club, yay!
Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Garfield's face nice and simply. You'll need a black pen, any kind of pen, and a nice white piece of paper. So find the middle of your page and you're going to draw an oval. This is Garfield's nose. Draw a straight line up from the oval, and then you're going to join the top of your line, curve it round, join it to the side of your oval nose, and then you're going to do exactly the same thing for the other eye. Draw two little ovals towards the center of that straight line up the middle, color them in. Those are Garfield's eyes. And now find the center of the bottom of the oval, and you're going to draw a little curve up and give him a little squiggle at the top. Do exactly the same on the other side. There's his mouth. Now we're going to do his cheeks. So that's a curve over. Give him three little freckly spots. You're mirroring what you're doing on both sides. Okay, let's draw his ears. So you start at the top of that first line you did. Draw a curve round. Kind of drawing a sort of like a little bird shape at the top, and join the ears to the cheeks. Remember, you can pause this video if I'm going too fast for you. Okay, I'm just getting ready to draw his chin in there, and you're going to draw a nice big curve from the bottom of one cheek, and you're going to join it up with that chin. Right, time for some cat stripes. Colour those in. Kind of three lines, big one, a middle one, and a little one, and there's room just in that gap to squeeze in another stripe. Do the same on the other side. Three little lines, big one, middle one, little one, big one, middle one, little one. What else is left? Oh yeah, inside his ears, you've got some shading, so four little triangles, colour those in. And I think what's left to do, okay, yes, some whiskers. Just coming out of that little section above his cheeks. There you go. And there's Garfield's face. Okay, happy cartooning, and I'll see you next time.